Hello everyone and welcome to online video tutorials. In this video we are going to see job update which is coming from HPCL Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited में ये vacancy निकल के आ रही है. This is a Maharatna company, a PSU in which there is recruitment for the technician in Mumbai Refinery. So this is going to be very good opportunity for the diploma and ITI candidates. It's not an opportunity for the BTech graduate, but for the BSc, few branches are eligible. So if you are eligible, you can continue with that video. And this previous one, Tata Motors and Electronics, and then Hitachi, Atkinson, there were a few vacancies. So for that also, these recent videos are there. So you can visit the channel and see those videos. Regularly, there are job dates, so you can subscribe to this channel if you have not yet subscribed and see the regular job date videos. And moving on to this HPCL. So HPCL, this is the official website of HPCL. In HPCL careers, job openings, if you go. So this is all the detail. This is very good thing that they have given the recruitment advertisement. That is a notification, actually ask questions, and then instructions for filling application form, syllabus, and then this is click here to apply link. So all the details they have given in the PDF form. I have downloaded these PDFs. So this is the first one, that is recruitment for technician. This is a complete notification of 10 pages. Quickly we can see that initially they would have told about this HPCL, what is HPCL, how much your refinery and other things. So you can just read that yourself. The important thing is that it is giving you the opportunity to apply from the 1st of February to 25th of February. So that is the date deadline. There is a fees also, and there is a CBT test. So you have to watch the video carefully, and if you are eligible, then only you can apply here and prepare for this examination. So assistant process technician, assistant boiler technician, and assistant fire operator, and then at the end there is assistant maintenance technical in the electrical field. Okay, so first one, which is assistant process technician, there are this much 30 vacancies. So they have asked you here, either you need to have BSc in chemistry, polymer or related subject as the major subject, or you need to have a diploma in chemical or petrochemical or plastics, petrochemical, chemical engineering. So these are diploma branches or BSc branches if you are having. So you can apply. For the category SC/ST PWD, there are marks requirements of 50%, but for others there are requirement of 60%. In all in all post, that is same thing. Okay, so 30 post for this. Then for assistant boiler technician, it is requiring only 12th or ITI. Anyone can apply, but with that you need to have this boiler attendant competency certificate. Same for the assistant fire and safety operator, either 12th and this certificate for fire safety courses, or you need to have a sub officers course from the Nagpur Fire College, or you need to have a diploma in fire safety and a valid heavy vehicle driver license. So there are 18 posts for this. Then at the end you have this assistant maintenance technician electrical. So it is requiring diploma in electrical and electronics engineering or diploma in electrical engineering. So for diploma in electrical branch, this is very good opportunity, or electrical and electronic, this is good opportunity. 5 posts are there. So in total there are 60 posts, and this is a bifurcation of that. If you are eligible, so you can just read through this notification, qualification, few details they have mentioned, and both regarding these certificates also some things are mentioned, so you can go through that. There are these broad description of duties, so they have in paragraph told you what your job profile would be like, what things you have to do. This is one good approach here that they have told. After that, there is this age criteria which is important, that 18 years to 25 years only can apply on as on the 1st February. So your notification is also talking about those details, like your qualification, that is also on the last day, beginning of the date of the apply. So if you ask like final year or eligible or not, they have mentioned that no, they are not eligible. So like that, that is the thing. Okay. After that, there is this another thing, that there will be CBT. So CBT is the like computer based test will be there, which will consist of general aptitude and technical professional. So in all four cases, they have given syllabus. So it will be having 2 hours examination, no negative marking. Each one question, 1 marks, 100 questions. For 50 will be general aptitude. General aptitude means verbal ability will be there, quantity aptitude, analytical reasoning, GK, GS, and environment. So that is 50, and another 50 for post related for assistant fire and safety operator. That will be based on fire engineering and other fire safety measures. And for the assistant boiler technician, it will be mostly on the boilers and cycles behind those boilers, safety regarding those boiler combustion principles. So regarding that, there will be technical part. General aptitude will be same. And if you take the case of assistant process technician, so in this it will be mostly on the hydrocarbons, and this it will be based on pumps and cycles of that. So that will be there. And if you go by the electrician, this technician in the electrical post, so in this basic electrical, basic electronics, and then these controller related basic theories, DC machine, AC machines. So these will be there. So these are the syllabus kind of thing, and after that syllabus, this is the like a teacher, selection methodology. That CBT skill test will be there. There is some physical requirement also, which is mentioned in the below, so you can go through that also. If you have any confusion, you can directly mail them also. All of the correndum or any other update will be on their website, so that is nothing to worry. EWS, OBC, unfamiliar, they can go through this to see the validity of their certification. And basically, it will be based on the Government of India certificates will be required for these category benefits. And then physical medical in standard, they have mentioned this advertised like in the open areas climbing. These tests will be there. So this is mentioned on the page number 7. You can go through it yourself. And this is one important thing that your salary package will be 7.52 LPA per annum. So this is a very good cost to company at the initial post of technician or diploma candidate. So your pay scale will be this. There will be various benefits. So salary is very good here. And after that, if you see how to apply, so how to apply, it's very simple. That you click here. You can directly go by here. That you click here to apply, and then you have to sign up with a new registration, and then fill in the details. Okay, or you can go from here also. The same thing will come. And candidate can apply only in one position. That is one thing. And candidates are now required to send hard copy. Only online application is there. And then there is this payment of the fee, 590 plus 18% GST. For SC/ST PWD, there is no fees requirement. And online you have to apply, and then this is the email in which you'll be getting further details, and on the website you can check out. And if you have any query, you can reach out to them. They have attached this factually asked question. Most of your doubts are answered there. So I will be sending you the link of this here. This link, in this you can download factually asked questions, and you can also download these instructions for filling the. So certain instructions they have given, like based on your post which you are applying. So you can go through this instruction. This will make thing more clear. Okay, so this is one thing. So these are the updates regarding this job post. It is a good opportunity if you are in the diploma or ITI you have done. So most of you like branches and your degree you can mention in the comment section, so that in future we are bringing more of job opportunities like that. And for diploma ITI candidates, they can apply. You can share with your friends, and in future we'll be seeing more such job opportunities for all like a BTech, ITI, or diploma in various branches. So you can give a little gist in the comment section that what are your qualification or experiences, so that we can bring in more job opportunities like that. So this is it for this video. See you in the next one. Thank you. Have a nice day.